अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज दिल करा थोड़ी सी आलू की भुजिया बनाने को। मैं थोड़ी सी आलू की भुजिया बनाऊंगी जिसमें मैं पानी नहीं डालती और वो सबको बहुत पसंद आती है। I'm going to make आलू की भुजिया today for my son. This is our go-to food. Anytime somebody does not feel like having something else, they ask for aloo ki bhujiya. So I'm going to make some aloo ki bhujiya, and there's no water added to this bhujiya, and it's very, very delicious. Around 1 spoon of olive oil, 2 slices of onions. No garlic in this recipe. Sprinkle like 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt on the onions. That brings out all the sugars. Right on top of it, you can add 2 small potatoes. Don't make the pieces, don't cut the pieces too big, otherwise it will be hard for the potato. So it cooks better this way when the slices are not too thin and not too thick. I'm adding a little bit of cumin seeds. Since everything is cooking without water, so they will toast and cook with the potatoes. 1 pinch of ajwain seeds, very few. I'm keeping the heat medium to low, and I'm going to add a little bit of pepper to it. It's optional, so if you want, you can. If you don't like it, no problem. Going to mix it on all sides. You can add pepper flakes. I didn't want to use the chili powder, so I used the hot pepper. You can always use the flakes you can buy from the store. The potatoes are so easy and very few ingredients. You can make it with onion or you can make it with garlic. इस बात का ख्याल रखें कि हीट ज़्यादा ना हो, हीट ज़्यादा होगी तो वो जल जाएंगे. So मीडियम टू लो के ऊपर. अगर आप चाहें तो थोड़ी सी हरी मिर्च डाल सकते हैं उसमें. मैं वैसे कम ही डालती हूँ. I love food when it looks pretty. Some foods are very delicious, but they don't look pretty. I don't know, maybe it's just me. My food has to look pretty. It's looking pretty, right? You can see the color changing. That means it's cooking nicely. It's almost halfway done. You can use fresh dhania, fresh coriander leaves, green coriander leaves to garnish it, or you can use dry one. I use dry one, and I dry my own dhania because it's more convenient for me. But if you want to use the cilantro seeds, coriander seeds, you can use coriander seeds. You can use fresh leaves. Let me bring the camera closer so you can see how beautiful and yummy that bhujia is. It's almost done. I like to keep the shape of the potatoes. They are getting soft, but before they break, I will close the fire. Okay. Now that's the trick at the end. I covered it with a cereal bowl or a soup bowl, whatever you call it, so the steam can stay in. And I will give it like 4 or 5 minutes and then remove it, and potatoes are done. So when you see the potatoes turning brown like this, some of them from the bottom, that means it's done because there was no water added and very few spices. No hard spices in this one. As you can see, it's almost done. Okay. ये देखें कितना खूबसूरत लग रहा है. ये जो आलू है ना, जब इनके ऊपर ये ब्राउन सा कलर आ जाता है तो उसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है. और इसमें बहुत थोड़ी चीज़ें डाली हैं मैंने, लेकिन बहुत मज़ेदार आलू हैं. यू कैन सर्व इट विद राइस, नान, टोस्ट, पराठा, जो आपका दिल चाहता है. सर्व इट विद व्हाटएवर यू फील लाइक सर्विंग इट विद. or just eat it like that. They are delicious. If you want to put another pinch of salt, you can add another pinch of salt on top of it. अभी देखते हैं. Let me see. ये देखिए गल गया, गल भी गया और टूटा भी नहीं. I like to keep the shape of my food. I don't like to mess too much with it. I hope आपको ये मेरी रेसिपी अच्छी लगी होगी. I really hope you like it. It's very delicious. Try and please let me know. Gives me thumbs up. If you want, please subscribe to my channel so I can keep making more little videos like this one. Thank you. Bye.